the beat bang, I don't claim colors. Honestly, the honesty is why the gang love us. My women either centerfolds or on the main covers. Stunt so hard, I make these niggas hate summer.
And pray for winter, and when it's winter time,
I'm still
waiting on these niggas at the finish line. This has nothing to do with my video. Actually, song.
Couple days on the beach, then it's
I'm listening to music. Anyway. I'll let y'all like, nigga, what are you doing? I know it's been a while since I've seen y'all on the hair and stuff. I've been getting a lot of questions. But, I'm chilling right now. Sorry it's been a little minute. The hair has not been, until it's nappy. It's not much different. Got his ponytail right now. Y'all can see that. Yeah, I'm in a other room with the computer or whatever on Facebook. Chilling. I'ma get to y'all with an FAQ video because I've been getting a pile of questions. Like a pile of questions. So I'm gonna make an FAQ for y'all on the hair. But this video has nothing to do with that. This video has to do with music, what I was listening to. Because I've been in a deep argument and discussion with a friend of mine over the last like couple of days on the same topic, and this is what the topic is. He thinks, and I don't even know how anybody could think this, that Gucci, when I say Gucci I mean Gucci Mane the rapper, is a better artist, rapper, all of the above than Lil Wayne himself. Are you kidding me? Freaking, how could you even think of such a thing? Gucci is the type of person that makes music for strictly the streets. The streets meaning drug dealers, gangsters, the streets, the hood, the struggle, anything. Lil Wayne also makes music for the same thing, but he has much more of a broad horizon of lyrics and just musical genius. Like, he can make a story out of a rap and freaking analogies and metaphors the whole freaking song. Freaking Gucci Mane says the same thing in a different way every track, and it's about selling weed, females, bricks. Freaking, it's the same stuff. Now, I'm not saying that he's not a good artist, and I'm not trying to down Gucci Mane, but when you try to compare him to Lil Wayne, that's not even a comparison. Like, you can't even compare that. Lil Wayne is a freaking musician, a freaking musical genius. He has freaking talent. I don't care what anybody says. It doesn't take much talent to do what Gucci Mane does. To do what Lil Wayne does takes freaking genius, talent, freaking brains to think of what he thinks of. But I don't want to just put my opinion on this. So I want y'all, my subscribers and the viewers, to comment on this video and tell me what y'all think about what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all just go down there, leave comments and stuff, and say what y'all think about it. But I don't see how anybody can disagree with me. Freaking Gucci Mane is a freaking party dude, and he tried to say, this is another thing he said. He said that Gucci Mane he always gets played in the club. You hardly ever hear Lil Wayne get played in the club. Okay, that may be true, but he's a party dude, which is okay, but he's never gonna be a freaking great artist off of making party songs. Lil Wayne is a freaking genius when it comes to music. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my view on the whole thing. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all disagree with me? You disagree with me. I mean, I can't knock you for that. You got your own. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. So you say what y'all think, and I'm just saying what I think. Back to what I was saying at the beginning of the video. Updates coming. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. School, freaking band. It's taking up all my time. But I had to come back and give y'all a video because folks been like, man, where you at, man? Don't tell me you gone, da 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 da. I'm still here. Still here. I had to charge the batteries for my camera. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna come back with some updates and stuff. And another thing, birthday coming up, October 29th. I'm gonna be none of your business. Yeah. I say how old I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be 16. Yeah, I'm a youngin'. But I'm finna get that license though, and I'm finna be whipping. So anyway, y'all tell me what y'all think of the video. Let's talk about it. It only takes 1 second to hit that like button. Trying to get a little fan base, a little more subscribers, more views on videos. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hair still growing. It's real nappy right now. You can probably tell it need to be done and stuff. But ponytail. I'm gonna get back to y'all on the hair. I'm gonna make a video about it. I've been promising y'all one, but I'm gonna make it. It's my promise. It's my promise to you. I'm gonna make a video. But I don't want my camera to run out, so I'm gonna just holler at y'all later. Crank Gang 54 is out. Rate.